Let me be in the back. In the middle?
That's
go ahead. I'll go
You're here, right here.
See you later. Okay, everybody ready for this one?
Ready?
No.
You sure? This is going to be fun, guys. This is better than Disneyland. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay, everybody reach your hands over your head. Good afternoon. My name's Dave. I'll be your tour guide. We're going to go down inside the third powerhouse. Big building you see in front of you. Give you a little history about Grand Coulee Dam. It was built in 1933 to 1941. It ran from canyon wall to canyon wall. It was to be a low dam of 200 feet for irrigation and not for power. However, they needed money to pay for the project, so they asked Congress for a change order. And in 1936, Congress approved a change order. We went from a low dam to a high dam, which is what it is today. There's 200 feet of dam underneath the water you can't see. We put a powerhouse on either side of the spillway, put 9 125 megawatt generators in there, started making electricity, and we've been selling this since 1941. 1959, they realized that power was the way to go. We decided to build the third powerhouse, which is in front of you, 4-bay dam, which is behind you. We would do that from 67 to 75. If you look out the doors on the left, you'll see where the 4-bay dam joins the original dam. It comes off at a 64-degree angle. In doing that, we will lose 260 feet of the original dam. We are now 57 feet short of a mile. To get the water from the 4-bay dam behind you to the turbine area in front of you, we use a pipe called a penstock. 2-inch thick, has an inside diameter of 40 feet. 6 of those penstocks here, 1 for each generator. There are 4 concrete curvatures on your right. Elevators built on top of one, and there's a concrete curvature on your left. Give you an idea how big 40 feet is. You can put 3 Greyhound buses side by side and drive them around in 1 penstock. Hang on, we're going to stop here. The Colorado River is the power source for the Hoover Dam. It flows at 15,000 cubic feet a second. That pipe will carry 35,000 cubic feet a second. That means 2 Colorado rivers every second flowing through 1 penstock when a generator runs in Grand Coulee's third powerhouse. If you'd like to take him off, please, or your husband. Stop walking. For those of you in a hurry, exit the doors on the left, take the short tour. Rest of you come on out on this side.
Have a short tour.
There's a lady over there looking. See what
This is not really fun.
do you think? You gonna take the long tour? On 7 airplanes, one on top of each other, that crane would pick them up. On the north and south end. 20 men working an 8-hour day. They would work 2 shifts a day, 7 days a week, for a year to build 1 generator. Because of that, my retirement will pay off real nice. My 401k has increased immensely. It's been discharged 70 feet below the surface. To run the original dam, the water is 200 feet deep, being discharged 70 feet below the surface. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. We are running 4 of the 6 generators. The 670,000 acres of farmland. 2,000 farmers use the water to grow into the crop. I have 6 generators on generators. They will pump 2,000 cubic feet of water a second, up the hill 280 feet to the irrigation. They also make electricity. To do that, we will put extra water in the banks make at nighttime. Daytime.
Go ahead. Thank you. You're welcome.
This is the incline I'm referring to. be like water. Do what?
Now their power's going up?
Yeah.
Or they don't have enough power to run the air conditioning compressor.
Yeah. Okay, you caught us. We didn't pay our bill.
Yeah, power.
Tonight at 8:30, we're going to show you the laser light show. It will move all across the dam. This intersection, the drum gates will rotate down, water will shoot over the top, catch air, turn it real pretty white. The perfect spot to see and hear the show from is the Visitor Arrival Center across the river. There are seats there for 1,000 people. Last night we had a total of 40.
Aww.
We're not having the crowds like we used to. If you go somewhere else, you are dependent upon the radio station to rebroadcast our laser show. We have discovered they're unable to do that, or it's such poor quality, you come back and get mad at us.